Hello friends, I am Priyanka Mahajan. Today we are going to learn an advanced vocabulary for IELTS. Friable. Friable means easily crumble, easily broken into small pieces. Synonyms for friable are crumbly, crumbled, powdery, dusty. Examples: the soil should be friable. The soil in her fingers was friable. The china clay was white, soft, and friable. The heart muscle was normal or soft or friable. Ambivalent. Ambivalent means having mixed feelings or contradictory ideas about something or someone. Synonyms for ambivalent: equivocal, uncertain, doubtful, unsure, indecisive, irresolute, inconclusive. Some loved her, some hated her, but some are ambivalent to her. John was ambivalent about his breakup with Jane. The novel was very interesting to read. There is dark humor and characters are ambivalent. My sister was ambivalent with her decision to go on a weekend trip. Erudite. Erudite means showing great knowledge or learning. Synonyms for erudite: knowledgeable, scholarly, learned, well educated. The erudite article written by you is a great resource for learning. The room was full of an erudite scholars who made the discussion fun and interesting. Watching the news and reading newspaper are the best ways to stay erudite on world events. Rohit could turn any conversation into an erudite discussion. Precarious. Precarious means uncertain, dependent on a chance. Synonyms for precarious: uncertain, unreliable, unpredictable, unsure, insecure. He made a precarious living as a poet. He made a precarious living as a painter. He made a precarious living as an author. In this critical situation, people are having a precarious living. Humdrum means dull, boring, tedious, monotonous, banal. Definition of humdrum is lacking excitement, boring, very ordinary. All the time I was engaged in this humdrum routine work. We friends are fed up with this humdrum routine. He wanted an escape from the humdrum of his life. I wish to run away from this humdrum job. Tawdry. Tawdry means showy but of cheap and poor quality. Synonyms for tawdry: garish, flashy, loud, gaudy, showy. She had cheap, tawdry rings on her fingers. Her bag is tawdry. My friend always liked to do shopping of tawdry things. Torpor means a state of mental or physical inactivity, lethargy, sluggishness. Synonyms for torpor are torpidity, sluggishness, inertia, inertness. He spent most of the journey time in the state of torpor. After a 5 year torpor, an author published a book. My friend's husband doesn't come out of the torpor and get a job, she will divorce him. After overeating, I fell in a state of torpor. Students, if you don't come out from this torpor and study hard, you will not get success in exam. Hopefully, the stock market will rise from its topper and reach to the year end. Fulminate. Fulminate means express vehement protest, expression of anger, rail, rage, storm, thunder, inveigh, declaim, all fulminated against the new curriculum